In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Docusign admin portal quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate to where you need to be with confidence. First, let's start by accessing the Docusign login page. In your preferred web browser, head over to the Docusign website. You're there, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address to begin signing in. Go ahead and type in your email address and hit Next. After entering your email, you'll be asked to fill in your login credentials, which typically include a password. Be sure to enter this information carefully to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Docusign usually offers a Forgot Password option you can click on for further assistance. Once you've entered your credentials correctly, click on the Login button to proceed. Great! Now that you're logged in, you should be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your starting point for managing your documents. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, but for today, our focus is getting to the admin portal. Look around and get comfortable with the layout if it's your first time here. Next, to find the admin area, look towards the top right corner of your screen on the Docusign homepage for an option labeled Admin. Clicking on this is your gateway to accessing the admin portal. Go ahead and click on it. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the Docusign admin portal. From here, you can manage users, adjust account settings, and utilize all the tools available to keep your Docusign account running smoothly. Navigating through the admin portal will open up a world of features designed to enhance your digital document management experience. While you're in the admin area, I recommend exploring a bit to familiarize yourself with the options available. Remember, the admin portal is designed to help you manage your documents and streamline your business processes effectively. If you ever need more information or help, Docusign provides a range of support options and tutorials accessible directly from their site. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide to accessing the Docusign admin portal helpful. With these steps, managing your digital documents should be quicker and more efficient than ever before. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.